Let's talk about windshield wiper blades. Now, that may seem like a pretty mundane topic, but think about how important your vision is. We work hard to protect our eyes. If we need contacts or glasses, we take care of them too. Well, wiper blades are critical to our vision when we drive.
That's right, Michelle. We really ought to think about wipers as part of an important safety system. We should think about maintaining safety, not just responding when our wiper blades fail.
That's a good way of looking at it. I mean, how many times have you been caught off guard by the first storm of the season with a streaky windshield you can barely see out of?
Yeah, or no washer fluid. Look, wiper blades live outside the vehicle, exposed to sun and heat in the summer.
And cold and ice in the winter. It's no wonder that they get dry, brittle, and torn.
I like to recommend changing wiper blades twice a year before they're so damaged that they don't work. If you replace them in one of your spring and fall oil changes, you should always have wiper blades that can get the job done.
So what options are available for wiper blades?
That's a good question. Some of us live in areas with more extreme weather and temperature conditions. You might just live somewhere where it rains more, so your blades wear out faster, or you travel a lot and use your wipers to clean bugs and road grime. If that's the case, consider a premium grade wiper. There are special wiper material compounds, blade designs, and wiper arms that really improve your vision in adverse conditions.
And I've seen special winter blades that don't get all clogged up with ice and snow.
Yeah, there are blades for all sorts of conditions. We can also apply a special windshield treatment that repels rain, sleet, and snow as you drive. The increased visibility can improve your driving response time.
Thanks, Jeremy. When it comes to wiper blades, it's important to think of it as maintaining the safety component by replacing your blades before they fail. That'll keep you seeing clearly in all conditions.